Hi everyone, today I'm gonna tell you a very interesting story about aliens invading Earth, and it also has some scientific things. It has a scientific backing also. So let's start. So here are the aliens. They are invading the Earth, so we have to evacuate the Earth. So there are three little girls which are gonna be main characters in this story. They are Luna, Stella and Stolera. So it's their quest to save the Earth. Let's start. So the Earth is being attacked by aliens. So everybody is doing their own stuff like shopping for fruits, vegetables, minding their own business, having fun. And they're not even noticing the aliens. But the three little girls, Luna, Stella and Solera, notice them. So they say, so they have to give a signal. They give an announcement of attention, please. The aliens are invading Earth, so it's danger time. It's time to be safe. We have to evacuate. So they think of some planets and moons which they can go to, and so they can go to exoplanets, they can go to Mars, they can go to Europa. Europa is Jupiter's moon. So they shot. So what do you think? You know which planet they shortlist? Of course, it's Mr. Mars. So they think. So they are brainstorming. So they land on Mars. They've landed on Mars and they think about they will be sitting on the Mars like this. But it turns out to be something else. Guess what it is? Yes, they have made some alien friends on Mars. And those alien friends have built amazing houses for them and everybody else too. With solar energy, they have enough things they need. They have enough food, they have enough water, they have enough oxygen. So you know how they got enough food. They have enough of anything they can get on Earth, which they want, which they need. So they get the oxygen from little oxygen bubbles. So it's solar powered houses. They have enough heat also, that means. And so they have some little greenhouses which they can plant the plants. So they can grow food also there. They can get enough of plants also. So their next plan agenda is to get back to Earth and defeat the aliens. So they have, with the help of the alien friends and the Curiosity rover on Mars, they make a plan and save Earth with some special guns and machines. So with technology, courage and science knowledge, they finally saved the Earth. So they saved it. Hooray! Now they are ready to come back to Earth. Now they head back to Earth with some samples which they collected on Mars while on the journey and on Mars. So they collected it and also they came back with knowledge in their head. They came back with knowledge in their heads. They came back with samples to hold and to discover. So they got knowledge about different livable places for humans in space, like Mars. They can go to Mars, they can go to Europa. So the crew returns with valuable data on potential habitable planets. So they hold many conferences, meetings about the planets which they could go if the aliens try to invade again. So So these are the places they can go to. So it highlights the importance of scientific research for the space exploration. They explored lots in this space. So, and then they came back. Then they celebrated National Science Day. So you know why National Science Day is celebrated? It's celebrated to about Raman. That is when Ramanujan discovered the Raman effect of white light separating into the 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So after having a nice day with National Science Day, they came home and did their own sciences. And they had the best day of their life. So you know why this shortlisted those Mars? It has almost the same day-night and tilted axis of Earth. So that's why they shortlisted Mars. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more interesting space videos. Bye. Say your bye in the space. Bye. Bye.